on the Isla Mujeres tour, we got a chance to come all the way to the end of the island, and it is absolutely beautiful. I'm glad that we did it. Shout out to Cancun Selling for giving us another chance to take the tour with them. Please, 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 if you do come to Cancun or Playa del Carmen or Tulum, please come on the Isla Mujeres tour and go through Cancun Selling. This is our third time going through them. I mean, if we're going on it the third time, that only tells you know that how much we enjoyed it. They're amazing every single time, and we truly
appreciate our partnership.
Appreciate our partnership with them. This is another partnership video that we're doing with them. So again, thank you Cancun Sailing for having us. We are very, very grateful, and as you can see, this is just beautiful.
Feel grateful.